First school here are Harry Potter fans. Harry Potter fans?
Yeah.
Harry Potter? Harry Potter fans?
Yeah.
Outside, Harry Potter fans? None? Alright. Anyway, this piece, I wrote this because I love Harry Potter so much. And I actually wrote two pieces about Harry Potter, but this is the first one. It's called The Stealing That Should Not Be Named. And it goes something like this. Oh, my name is M, by the way. My name is M. For is anonymous. Ganda talaga yung boses ko pag ito. Pag umaga medyo malaki. Alright. Lalaki talaga pag umaga. If you'd let me, I can love you like Snape loves Lily. Like Ginny loves Harry. I can even love you like Bellatrix loved Voldemort. I'd watch sunsets on a fireboat with you. And maybe our love, at the moment, is as unproven as the existence of Nargos. But baby, I go Luna love good on you. My cheeks go Weasley red when you're near, and you'll always be my king. Even Granger will not be able to define the way I feel about you. Even Draco will not be able to question its pureness. That is, if you'd let me. I don't have Gryffindor courage. Oh, you mind if I say that? We probably will never be the pair version of the golden trio, but I promise together we'd be golden. Our Patronuses will match, and not even Umbridge's decree will ever take you away from me. The Mirror of Erised even shows me you. You will be my favorite flavor in Bertie Bott's every flavor beans, and be the only person I'd share my butterbeer. And if I ever take a whiff of amortension, I'd smell old books, cinnamon, and something distinct for you. We will never miss a Quidditch game if that is what you want, as long as you take me for an hour and two to flourish in blocks. We'd walk hand in hand in Diagon Alley, or we can apparate to where it'll be just you and me. We can use the serum on me, dear, to prove my words are true. That maybe Harry's the chosen one, but if you'd let me, maybe I'd choose you.